is all about tej pata, or should I say bay leaf. In India, this is known as tej pata. Well, if you're experiencing hair fall or you're having excessive hair fall, then you need to give this a try because it works like magic. Okay, so in today's video you are going to be learning how to prepare your very own hair remedy using tej pata and how to use it in order to minimize hair fall by far. And if this is your first time tuning in, please watch this video to the end. By the end of the video, I should be able to convince you to click the subscribe button down below. Do not forget to like and share this video to your loved ones. As you can see, I'm already boiling my own tej pata. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this on my hair and to show you all how to use it. Just keep on watching, okay everyone, so we're going to be sticking with the name bay leaf from now on, all right, because it seems like majority of you know it as bay leaf. So all you need is just bay leaf, your pot, and your measuring cup or measuring spoon that you'll be needing to measure the quantity of water that you'll be using to boil your bay leaf. Or you can just boil the water, okay? There's no need of using the measuring cup. It's just that I felt like doing this because some people prefer to use a specific measurement. Then when it comes to the bay leaf, you don't actually need to measure it again. You just literally pour the amount of bay leaf that you feel like it's that is okay. So you can easily crush the bay leaf, or you can just leave it the way it is as a whole inside your pot. Then you measure the quantity of water you need. I'll give you tons of benefits of why you should consider using bay leaf to stimulate hair growth and to minimize hair fall. I'm not kidding, guys. Bay leaf can literally minimize hair fall by far if you are consistent with it. So I measured 3 cups of water and added 1 cinnamon stick. This is completely optional, okay? The cinnamon stick is optional. Cinnamon stick is something that has its own benefits, so if you want to also make use of it, make use of it if you have it in your possession, but if not, just skip it. You are going to allow the bay leaf to boil for 10 minutes. 10 good minutes. After then, you are going to allow it to cool down, okay, because you can't obviously put a hot liquid on your head or on your scalp. You don't want it to get burnt, okay? After 10 minutes, strain it out, then put it into your applicator bottle. Then you are good to go. If you want to make it in form of a hair mask, please comment hair mask in the comment section below, and I'll create a video of how you can use bay leaf in form of a hair mask. Bay leaf can help in enriching your hair and gently help the scalp to grow hair. It can also be infused in hair growth oils or in ordinary oils such as coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, avocado oil, okay? If you have any of these oils, infuse your bay leaf inside it. I created a video of how I used bay leaf in form of oil, okay? So please, you can check it out. The link will be in the description box. So I'm going to be showing you all how you can make use of bay leaf in order to grow your hair, although I only showed how to use it as a leave-in tea spray. For those that have highly sensitive scalp, you can literally rinse your own out, but I don't see anything wrong in leaving it in your hair because I've not experienced any bad thing leaving it in my hair. So please, I'll advise you not to rinse it out, but if you don't want to leave it in your hair, you can cover it for 30 minutes, then rinse it out with just cool water. Proceed to moisturizing your hair. I have posted some clips on how to make and use bay leaf to grow hair on TikTok, so that's why you guys are seeing that I changed my dress, or should I say my top. Sorry, I changed my top. And guys, I did a hair growth challenge using onion water. Guys, trust me, you don't want to miss that video, so make sure to subscribe to my channel because the video will be dropping next after this one, okay? So you can see my hair really grew, but I'm going to be showing you all how to make use of your bay leaf tea right now. If you are consistent with this bay leaf tea, because I've used it, it works for regrowing your hair. If you are having hair fall, it can strengthen your hair and minimize hair fall. It can also fight fungal fungal infection on the scalp or any bacterial infection that is on your scalp. Due to varieties of reasons, your scalp can get attracted to fungal. So with bay leaf, that won't be a problem anymore, because bay leaf has antifungal properties that can tackle problems easily. Okay, it can also help to tackle dandruff and itchy scalp. So when you are washing your hair, before you lather your hair with shampoo, boil bay leaf and pour little quantity of the water into your bottle of shampoo. Shake it up together, mix it together, and use it to wash your scalp. Use it to wash your entire hair. Guys, I'm telling you, you will no more experience any itchy scalp or any dandruff on your scalp. Trust me, it works very well, because I've tried it. Whatever I'm sharing with you all on this channel, I have actually tried it. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm actually sprinkling bay leaf on my hair, all over my hair and scalp, making sure to massage it very well. Then used a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. By the way, this leave-in conditioner is available for sale, so please, if you want to order yours, just send me a DM via Instagram at theBrendaOkolocha, okay, or via WhatsApp at 09051846475. This is also my hair growth oil. These two products are from my hair care line. This is not me hyping my hair care line, okay, even though it seems like I'm hyping it, but they actually work. This hair growth oil also contains bay leaf. Bay leaf is one of the most important herb or leaves or ingredients that is being used to formulate the hair growth oil. So you can see I'm applying it all over my scalp, all over my hair, to seal in the moisture. So when I'm done, I'm going to detangle my hair using a wide tooth comb. Guys, can you see how thick my hair is and how long it is growing? My hair is still growing. I've not even stopped growing. The moment I discovered how to make use of herbs to grow hair, guys, that is when I started being consistent with each of them. You just have to be consistent. Pick a particular herb. There's some people that send me a DM via Instagram that I share too many herbs, that which one is actually the one for growing hair, for hair fall. The thing is that each of these herbs, they all perform the same duty. So it is now left for you to pick the one that suits your scalp properly, because we have fenugreek, we have clove, rosemary, hibiscus, we have henna powder, we have neem powder, we have sticks, what they call it, yeah, cinnamon sticks. We have so many of them, so many of these herbs that can be used to grow hair. Like I said, just pick one or two of them, maximum 3 that you be consistent with. Get used to them and let those herbs also get used to your own hair. Be consistent with it. You can use them in form of hair growth oils, tea spray, hair mask. If you are new to using herbs to grow your hair, make use of them in form of tea spray. That is the easiest way you can actually get used to them or introduce it to your hair. Eventually your hair start getting used to using them to grow by itself. So make use of them in form of tea spray, like the one that I just showed you guys in this video. Sprinkle it all over your hair 2 to 3 times in a week, and you're good to go. Guys, you can see that I did not experience a lot of hair shedding or a lot of hair fall. Guys, look at the length of my hair. Okay, I'm telling you people the truth, my hair doesn't grow that fast. What actually helped me is the herbs that I use to grow my hair. They're making simple protective hairstyles. You can see most of the time I don't come here with complicated hairstyles. Okay, I make mini twists and mini braids are my go-to protective hairstyle because they don't require much stress. Our natural hair or hair in general doesn't need too much stress. It's just minimal manipulation, which is just making the mini twist, putting it in a protective hairstyle, and you're good to go. You don't need to stress your hair. I repeat, you don't need to stress your hair. Eat right, eat more of proteins, ions, drink sufficient water, sleep on a satin or silk pillowcase. I started a series whereby I'll be sharing food that you can actually eat that can help your hair grow, because in as much as we are looking for products or herbs that can help our hair grow from outside, we should also make conscious effort to eat properly. Okay, so I shared a series, started a series rather, sorry, I started a series whereby I'll be sharing food that I'll be using for eating for hair growth. I've been eating these foods, but I noticed that so many people have been asking me what are the sources of protein, iron, zinc via Instagram DMs. So I decided to create a series for them, and I also opened a separate Instagram account. You can go follow it up. The name of the account is My Intake for Hair Growth. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you all in my next upload. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay.